my channel. I'm Tiara Shanice, and today's wig install video is going to be on Westkiss hair. Today I received a 5x5 wear to go glueless wig. We're just going to unbox it, open it up and everything, and jump right into the video. So I had already previously unboxed this wig. I will also just upload it on the screen of me actually unboxing the wig, but I am going to show you the boxing, the wig, and everything right here on screen. All right, this is the box that it came in. This is the Westkiss box. It has all the information right there on the box. Inside of the box, of course, you get the packaging that the actual wig does come in. You also have all the utensils that you do need to install your wig inside of the box, which it is an edge brush, a bonnet. You also have some lashes that come with the box, a wig cap, and this is just a regular wig cap, not the HD wig cap. You get a Westkiss band and also the Westkiss bag. Now this is the wig. I did actually unbox it. I did not loosen up the curls or anything. This is exactly how the wig came. As you can see, it's looking like scalp, light scalp. So it does already come pre-cut. Y'all, this looks like fake scalp. Like I can just see myself right through it. It does have an HD lace with it. The knots are already bleached. It looks basically gorgeous. It has a long part. Again, it is a 5x5, so it has a long part. You can tell it's already pre-plucked as well. And the curls are already curled and defined. I had it out the packaging for like a few days and these curls are still intact. You can also tell how bouncy they are as well. This is the inside of the wig. It has some stretch to it in the middle just in case you have a larger size head. You also already have an elastic band on the inside of this wig, and this band does stretch pretty good, but it also is very tight as well, so it's not too loose. Do y'all see the back of this wig? So it does have an area where if you were to put it up, you will not be able. So if you were to put it up, you will not be able to see anything at the bottom, such as a track. You won't be able to tell anything at the bottom. But it does have a comb right here, so it's very secure. It also has combs on the side where it is very secure as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a wig cap, place it on my head, and just install the wig directly. And I'm just going to take the elastic band and put it at the bottom of my head, where my basically bun is, and then I'm just gonna pull it over.
But it's fine, I'm okay. How much longer could it take? Oh yeah, yeah. Yes, I gotta get back to you. Yes, I gotta get back to you.
And because it is a little bit light, I'm just going to go get my makeup and just going to blend in the hairline of the wig. All right, so I did get a number 12 in the Ruby Kisses, and I do like to use this shade right here to blend. Just gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush it on the outside of the wig. Alright, brush it just like that. And I'm just going to adjust it to my liking. I'm going to place the combs inside on the side so it can feel a little bit more secure. And I do already have my hot comb. I'm not pulling out the curls right now. I do already have my hot comb. And I'm just going to hot comb it back. Did just hot comb it just like that, and I'm going to take my fingers and run my fingers through it. Y'all, I am in love with this wig. I am not going to lie. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. Do y'all not see it? Y'all, I really love this wig. I'm just gonna add some layers around the face. The curls on it are gorgeous. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. I'm just gonna flatten down the top a little bit more. This is just a wax spray from Gotta Be Glue. If you don't have it, definitely go get it. Take my hot comb and just hot comb it down. And with this wig, you do not need any baby hairs. It is a ready to go wig. It's already customized. All you have to do is literally put it on your head. And that is basically it. Just put it on your head and go. It's a ready to go 100%. Y'all know a lot of companies say, oh, it's glueless and ready to go. This one is actually ready to go. Ready to go.
For the rush, I get touching you. There's something else, baby. I'm loving you. Yes. Hey, thank God I found you. Just be around you. Get tired of doing this, baby. But it's fine. I'm okay. How much longer could it really take? Oh no, yeah. Guess I gotta get next to you. Guess I gotta.
And I'm just adding just a couple of more curls around my face to frame, just to touch it up. And that's basically it. I am just using my Babyliss Pro curling iron. I did just recently buy this maybe about a month ago. Absolutely love this curling iron as well. It gets super hot and it glides so good with every hair texture, because y'all know some curling irons do not work with every hair. So I did just get this and it's amazing. I'm so excited about combing these curls out to see how they look. right, so leave me some comments down below. Let me know how y'all love this hair. I absolutely love it. Y'all, we all definitely need a ready to go wig, something we can prop on and walk out the door. I do have the combs placed and it's very secure, so you don't have to worry about anything. So this is a ready to go wig, and this is a 24-inch as well. So on me, it does go right here in the front. In the back, it does go right here, but it is curled. So if it was straightened, it will be all the way down here. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that follow button, and please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and thank you again for watching.